Somebody told the screws. Somebody shocked me. Somebody sang like a blessed budgerigar.
Well, it wasn't me, Sandra.
Well, Big Leslie said it was someone in this room. Now, who else is there? So, it was you, was it?
And who are you?
My name is Samantha. I'm just an ordinary housewife. I shouldn't be here at all.
They all say that.
That man in the supermarket stuffed that frozen chicken down my pantyhose.
So, you shot me to the screws, you mongrel.
Shopped screws? I don't know what you're talking about.
I dare say your pantyhose could do with a press.
Yeah. Come on, take your hands off me, you criminal! You horrible type! Now you're coming and dead! Ordinary type of...
All right, you two! Back to your cells. Any more trouble and you'll end up in solitary together. Now that's more like it. A little peace and quiet. I think we understand each other, don't we? You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. I've had my eye on you ever since you came in here. So if ever you want someone to talk to, confide in, share your little secrets, you can come up to my room and slip into something more comfortable and listen to some dusty tapes.
Dusty tapes? Haven't you got a duster?
Dusty Springfield.
Oh, I thought she was dead.
She is not dead. She lives. She's the greatest singer in the world. You idiot. She's my heroine.
The new governor, heaven be praised. She'll save me from the likes of you. She'll get me out of this hellhole. I'll appeal to her sense of decency and fair play.
I wouldn't count on it. Good morning, Governor.